In this session, I'll demonstrate how to create a Kaltura Video Quiz. After signing into Blackboard, go to your left menu and select Tools, then Kaltura My Media. Then select Add New and Video Quiz. Now, you're presented with a list of all of your My Media files. Find the one you'd like to add a quiz to, and press Select. I'll choose a short video I made to introduce basic components of a graph. Now, it's time to add my questions to the video. And I want to make sure that the question appears at the right time. So below the media player, you'll notice a timeline of your video. And you can navigate through the timeline to find where you want to add your question. I found the right spot, so I'll add a question. You have a number of different question types, and I'll choose true-false for this one. And you can add a question, and then select either true or false, depending on the right answer to the question. And now I'll move to my next question, and I want it to be multiple choice. With multiple choice questions, you can add your question and answers, and then you can add more answers if needed. Then you can rearrange the answers so that the correct answer appears in a different location each time. Next, I'll ask an open-ended question with no set answer. And finally, I'll end with a reflection point. And these are not questions. Rather, they're a message from the instructor to the students relating to the content of the video and the class. And now that I've finished my questions, I'll select Done. When you select Done, the video quiz will appear in your My Media folder, and you can add it to a course. So as the student is watching the video, the questions will appear at the time and sequence that was arranged by you when you're creating it. And for this demonstration, I used a video I created as a short lecture. But remember that you can add video quizzes to any video in your My Media folder. For example, YouTube videos like TED Talks.